Hello and welcome. This is Rafi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. Even if you don't have a website, you can join this affiliate network. You can promote your affiliate links on social media sites such as on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Quora to generate commissions and get paid. Even if you want, you can use your mobile phone to promote your affiliate links to generate commissions, and it is possible. I'm going to show you how. So I'm talking about Fiverr affiliate program, which is the most beginner friendly affiliate program out there. You can join the program completely free. So before I show you how you can join the affiliate network, how you can promote your affiliate links, I'd love to take you to my account dashboard to show you how much I am earning, and I'm going to discuss everything regarding this affiliate program throughout this video. So here I am on my account dashboard. If I reload this page, you can see the latest stats of my Fiverr affiliate earnings and every other detail. So as you can see, as of now I got $287 on my balance, and so far by this month I was able to generate 19 registrations under my affiliate links on Fiverr, and out of these 19 registrants, one of them purchased a service on Fiverr from business category, and I earned $109 from one single affiliate. So as you can see here, Fiverr business, one registrant, and I earned $109 in total. And from CPA I was able to generate 18 registrant but $0 so far, but it doesn't matter. Maybe they're going to purchase next week, next month I'm going to get commission. So these are actually my assets. Now if I take you here on earning report, you are going to notice from same user I was able to earn $100 fixed commission and $9 as the perk of 10% revenue share. I'm going to explain it soon. And after that I earned sub affiliate commission. That means if you invite any other affiliate marketer on Fiverr affiliate program, if they generate earnings, Fiverr is going to give you some reward, which is 10% commission, and I earned $2.5 commission. Now where can you find the Fiverr affiliate program, how you can join the program? Let me show you. So I'm going to type out fiverr.com, or let's say affiliate.fiverr.com. I'm going to attach this link into the video description for your easy access, and it will be my affiliate link. If you join, you'll be my sub affiliate. If you earn any commission, I'll get a reward from Fiverr. So this is a win-win situation. So here on this page, you are going to get some information about Fiverr affiliate program, but I'd love to take you here on this commission plan page so that I can explain few options. As you can see on Fiverr affiliate program, they got two options that you can choose. Number one is Fiverr CPA, number two is Fiverr hybrid. On Fiverr CPA, you can earn from $15, which is the minimum you can get paid from one single referral, to up to $150 from one single referral. And it depends on the category or the service a person is purchasing, and I'm going to explain it soon. After that, we got this Fiverr hybrid feature. As a fixed commission, whenever someone will join on Fiverr under your affiliate link, whenever they will purchase anything, you are going to get $10 fixed commission, and along with this $10, you're going to get 10% revenue share for the next 12 months, whatever they purchase. If they, let's say, purchase a $1,000 worth of product, you're going to get $100 commission from any category. Whatever service they're purchasing, you are going to get the commission. So that's the benefit of rev share, but you can also go with CPA, and I love CPA as of now. So if I scroll a bit down, you're going to find some information. As you can see here, more products you can promote. So Fiverr business, if someone join Fiverr through your affiliate link, and if they purchase anything from Fiverr business affiliate network, you are going to get $100 commission, which I received here, and you're going to get 10% revenue share for the next 12 months. If they purchase anything for any worth of money, I'm going to get a 10% commission from Fiverr. So this is Fiverr business. Another one is Fiverr affiliates. As I have shown, I got $2.50 here as a Fiverr affiliate commission. One of you guys just watched my previous Fiverr affiliate related videos and signed up, and who is making money, I'm getting commissions. And then we got Fiverr Learn. Whenever someone will join on Fiverr through your affiliate link, if they start learning from any of the courses available on Fiverr, you're going to get 30% commission of that price. And after that, if I scroll a bit down, depending on the category, depending on the service a person is purchasing, Fiverr is going to give us the commission. So if someone purchase any pro service from Fiverr, you are going to get $150 fixed commission. That's amazing. Then from any of these categories, if someone purchase any of these services, you are going to get $50. That's a great thing. Now you have many other options here which you can check out. I'm going to attach the link into the video description. And from Fiverr Affiliate Network, you can get paid on your Payoneer account, on your PayPal account, on your Wise account, on your bank account. So they've got these options. As you can see, the minimum commission that you're going to get from CPA is $15 and maximum is $150. Now let's learn how you can join in this affiliate network, which is really easy and very simple. If you click here on join now button, you are going to find this form where you have to provide your first name. For instance, my name is Azharul Rafi. I'm going to type Azharul here on this first name, and in the last name field, I'd love to put Rafi. So that's it. Then you have to provide your email address here. You have to take an username. For instance, I would say my username would be Azharul12345, whatever it is, or Azharul Rafi1, and so on. Then you have to provide your password. Choose a good password, secure. Then you have to retype the password here. Then from account type, I would suggest you to select private if you are an individual like me. After that, if you have a strong social media page, it could be a Facebook page, it could be a Twitter profile, it could be an Instagram page where you got many subscribers or followers. It could be a Quora profile where you got some followers or you are already active. You can add this. So you can simply select yes and then paste the URL here. But if you don't have any of these things, you can simply select no and select your country, select your language, then provide your Skype address, then click on next. You are going to get an email then, and then simply click on the verification email, and you're going to be able to learn everything from the other video that I'm going to link into the video description. All right. So after creating your profile on Fiverr affiliate program, simply you have to sign in to your affiliate account. And after that, how can you get your affiliate links to promote? So after signing into your affiliate account, you have to click here on marketing tools option. Then you're going to find this default and deep links option. So if you click here, you're going to find your Fiverr CPA, hybrid, Fiverr Learn, business, sub affiliates, URLs. So simply copy this, as this is your affiliate URL. You can use your mobile phone as well. Simply sign into your affiliate account, then go to this option, default and deep links, then copy this Fiverr CPA, Fiverr hybrid, whatever you want to go with, and copy this URL. Now how can we promote this link? Simple. Let's go to Quora, which I really love. If I show you why I love, if I take you here on my profile, if I click on your contents and stats, you can see by the last 30 days I was able to generate 29,727 views, almost 1,000 views per day. And out of these views, I'm getting many clicks on my Fiverr affiliate link, on my Hostinger affiliate link, and on my other affiliate links as well, etc. And I'm generating commissions. So now, how can you start promoting your affiliate link on Quora? The process is simple. After signing in to your Quora account, you have to go here on this search bar, and you can do that from your phone as well. I'm going to type out something. Let's say, how can I hire a web designer? Or where can I find a good web designer, as an example. So simply based on the services, you are going to simply, where can I find an affordable web designer? I'm going to open up this question, and if you just notice, you're going to get many questions appearing here, and it doesn't matter how many days ago the question was posted. You simply have to answer the question regardless of the posting date, regardless of the, let's say, follow-up date. Simply answer the question if you know the answer and put your affiliate link. People are going to visit these answers later, and you're going to get views, clicks on your affiliate links, and most probably you're going to generate some commissions from these people who are going to click, join, and purchase any service. So after opening up the question here on a new tab to promote your affiliate link, simply you have to click here on answer. And then, as you can see, where can I find an affordable web designer? I'm going to give a short answer. You can find an affordable web designer on Fiverr. Simple. Now I'm going back here. I'm going to copy my affiliate URL. I'm going to link. I'm going back to the answer. I'm going to select the Fiverr text. then I'm going to click here on this font, and then I'm going to click here on this anchor, and I'm going to paste the link that I copied. Then I'm going to click on add, and just take a look, it became clickable. Now if I click on post, just take a look, I got the answer posted under this question. Now if someone visits this question, there is a chance my answer is going to be appeared in front of them, and if they love, they're going to click here on Fiverr, and if they click here, they are going to visit Fiverr. Now if they sign up and if they purchase any service, you are going to get commission, I'm going to get commission. So that's how we promote products and generate commissions. Now regarding Quora marketing, I got 2 other videos, please watch them. I'm going to add them into the video description. These are really important. Now let's talk about how you can promote your affiliate URL on Twitter. Simple, I'm going to visit twitter.com, sign in with your account, and then on the search bar, same, you can do this on your desktop or on your phone as well. You can install Twitter app on your mobile phone, then use the search filter, then type out looking for a web or designer. Okay, simply make a search and just take a look. 16 hours ago, I'm looking for a freelance web designer proficient in WordPress. Please reach out if you're interested or know someone in your circle. So this guy is asking if you are a web designer, you can reach out to him. If you are not a web designer, if you know someone else, you can recommend him to this guy. Just imagine how easy it is to promote your affiliate URLs, Fiverr affiliate program. So simply to promote your affiliate links, you have to click here, and then you're going to find this comments option or the reply option. Click here, and then you can write, hi, here is a place, check him or her out, then paste your Fiverr URL, but not this link. Okay, so in this case you can be very specific. So if I simply visit, let's say fiverr.com, so this guy already got 720 reviews and he is a top rated seller. So if I share his profile with that client, most probably that client is going to hire him and we are going to get a commission. And as it is a top rated seller, obviously he is going to like. So I'm going to copy this URL. To get the unique link for this service, I have to go, after copying this URL, I have to go here on Fiverr affiliate dashboard. Then under this marketing and tools option, default links, we have to click here on LP URL, paste the URL here. After that, we can simply click here and just take a look, a long URL will be generated. Now click here on this dynamic parameters. If you want, you can add a tracking code. For instance, as I'm sharing this URL on Twitter, so I'm going to type out Twitter so that I can know from which resource the visitor or the registration happened, and from which resource I was able to generate the commissions. Now it's time to click here, and then I'm going to copy this link. After that, let's go back to Twitter and just simply paste it here. Let's click on reply. Here we go. I have just promoted one affiliate link here. So if that guy simply clicks on that link and hire someone on Fiverr, I'm going to get commissions. So that's the way how Fiverr affiliate program works, and that's how easy it is to promote affiliate URLs on social media, like on Twitter, on Pinterest, and you can promote your affiliate links on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, on any other social media sites and generate commissions. So this was it, guys. I believe you have found this video helpful, but if you got any further question, please feel free to ask me by commenting below, and please don't forget to check out the other videos about Fiverr affiliate program on my channel. You're going to love them and you'll find them informative, helpful. So thank you so much for watching this long. Have a good day. Bye bye.